we want to study about SQL. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Where we go, our data is stored, saved, which is called. Now, about the database, it is our information, the knowledge that we have. Do not share with someone else, meaning it's the database in our computer that becomes the programming language which works with our web browser, and query also exists, and the data that is there, it all gets saved in the web browser. Who interacts with the database? Okay, for example, we can take it as our scale database is. I will show you how it works in scroll applications. I will tell you by going down
like the Arden.
There is a school on TK Parisian where if a family member or your parent goes to school with you, then it's on Parisian. When they see your marks in English, what will they do? They will tell that my child studies in class 10 and their section is also this. Now he will go to class B and see many children studying. There can be two with the same name or even three. What they will do is they will do this to them. How will we recognize that he is the same Mohsin, the child of theirs, because Mohsin is very common? Can we live? The ID has become parasitic, which we show with roll number. So it's always different for everyone. The roll number is different for everyone. And from its length, we'll identify that the students, okay, now here like schools, the school we have is a database, and like we said about class and register, job at JV. Anyone who reads in that section is known to us. If we do this here and ask, it will bring us its specific ID. Alright, we are scaling it to 4. Use these things and the tension of their use is fulfilled. Create, read, update, and delete SQL application. Works in these things, but in general back center companies, and like we have a simple website, for example.
Subtitling by
The
Society Radio Canada.
website has become ours, which we made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, okay? That is ours. Web designing is okay, and the web applications that are large applications are being saved in our database. Shifts are happening in web browsers. E-commerce websites and others exist, those websites that basically is SQL applications exist that assist us, like when we are filling out a form from the bank data and there is some connection with our bank, such an application is. Our denim is made of lichens. Applications like web applications and search that are linked from our bank sender company to each application. Most things are, I read even